Apparently this guy's gonna be working out every day.
You hit like all my ab.
Hey guys, Justin and Stephanie here, and we are at our personal house. This will be the Jones house, party of 6. It is not so busted. It is now. It was just dated. It just had teal carpet, the cabinetry is dated, but it's all in great shape. It's meticulously taken care of.
The details on the house, it is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. We're gonna be converting it and making it a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house by going up into the 2nd story. It's roughly about 3,800 square feet right now.
All right, so we are in the entryway right now, and as you can see, it goes up so far. It's vaulted ceilings, which is really cool. So when we first saw the property, that was immediately what we were drawn to. And then you see this thing, and it just made the whole space feel really dark and kind of dungeony and really dated. So the reason why we decided to go up to the 2nd story is we needed a 6th bedroom, and we couldn't find space within the current footprint to create a bedroom that had an egress window. So when we went up into the attic and we saw that it was like 25 feet of attic space, which is insane. So we have plenty of space to add a 2nd story. We're doing 2 bedrooms up there, a bathroom, and a flex space. So we decided to take this whole thing down right here, all the way back.
Coming to about right here, which is gonna be open and go up to 26 feet up here.
But yeah, so this space will look completely different. Soak it in now, because it'll never look like this again.
All right guys, biggest transformation in this house is gonna be in this area right here. Once the 2nd story comes, we can remove some of these load-bearing walls. Kitchen starts over there on the left with a
Farm sink.
over, and that part right over there is gonna be where the island is.
Yeah, you'll have where that mold currently is, will be a door to the dining room. Yeah, the unfortunate part is we can't go up any higher on the ceiling. So they're gonna stay like 8 feet right here, and then they're gonna rise up over there. So we're trying to work with the engineer to try and get them up higher. We just met with him yesterday, went over a plan. All right, so we're in the master suite now. When we first walked the house, Justin and I actually thought this was a living room because it is huge. We're basically closing off this whole thing, and then we're taking this whole wall and making it closet and master bathroom. We're closing off a lot of the sliding doors, and we'll have a lot of light coming in the bathroom, so that'll be good over there. But in our room, we're just keeping one slider, and we're just closing off the rest. And Justin's gym is going.
Get swole.
Apparently this guy's gonna be working out every day.
You hit like all my ab.
It's currently in the garage. Do you guys wanna see it?
Oh, yes. Oh, The Rock would be proud.
Those two, see, 2.
It's gonna be right over here to your left.
I think used to be porch.
Yeah, the previous owners, and
Thanks, babe.
makes for a good film.
All right, so this will become his in-home gym. We were gonna make it the craft room, but the more we thought about it.
Can barely fit through the door. Get it? I'm so swole.
Oh my God.
This is gonna be the Iron Paradise Jr. After The Rock. He owns Iron Paradise. This is gonna be Iron Paradise Jr. It's a whole lot smaller than The Rock's gym.
Beyond this wall is the master bathroom. So we're taking this down, we're gonna just block it off so that we have a straight continuous line. All of these like glass blocks to the exterior are gonna get blocked up. We're gonna put transoms in, maybe a couple of windows here and there, and then we're gonna do mirrors so you can watch yourself get super swole, babe.
This house had one of those big, ridiculous jacuzzi garden tubs with the old school planter right here. Nobody uses those big, ugly tubs. So if you can picture a shower basically from here to about right there with a couple double heads, the shower is gonna be absolutely amazing. This was my must-have, and this was the only thing that I fought for
in the
along
gym.
with Iron Paradise Jr. Those are the only 2 things that I fought for in my urinal, which is going in the spare. We're gonna come cut all this out. When you guys start walking through seeing this put together,
He's
really
calling it a
excited.
car wash shower, and it's just gonna have shower heads all over the place. And it'll just be one wall here and then an entry and an exit. It's ridiculous, completely ridiculous.
It's gonna be like an adult spray park.
We gonna have a pool.
She's so excited about this pool.
I mean, like, I love night swimming, and I have not had a pool now for like 6 years.
You excited about the pool?
So excited.
Tell them about the pool.
Like, I want to jump in right now. I'm so hot. I just want to jump in right now.
So it's about a 35-foot pool. It's a nice pool.
We just switched it over to salt
Yep.
instead of chlorine. So we did that this week. We added a baby fence just so the boys don't, you know, yeet themselves into the pool.
They immediately want to run and dive into the pool.
Like their mama. I'm like, ah! I'm like drawn. So when we first got married, we lived, the four of us, our two kids, the older kids, Justin and Gianna, we lived in a 900 square foot house. It was 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. All of us squeezed in there while I was pregnant. And then even when Avner was born, we still, all 5 were in that 2-1. So it's really cool now to go from, you know, the start of our marriage, the start of a relationship in a 900 square foot house and like, I can't do math, but what, quadruple it?
It was very intimate,
it.
and now we don't see each other.
True.
Intimate to now, it's like a hotel. Or a
For
very
dogs.
large motel.